All right, so here is my pantry. And my pantry needs help. So we're doing a before and an after to get it more organized. Do you think they like energy drinks around here and chips? But I can't stand it, so we're going to fix it. So this is the before shot. Okay, we're back in the pantry. It's got our hook so far.
Christy.
Hi.
Christy got a special delivery today for her anniversary.
Yay.
We're trying to do something with the organizing. You saw our split rails for our jars. So we're continuing to work here in the pantry. And we got a couple things in the works, but one is she wants some baskets to put chips and lightweight stuff in, and she found some online, and we're putting those in today. So we've got a couple, and then it occurred to us that we should be filming these. This row here actually is going in the stud. This one is not. We're just going with the plastic inserts that came with the baskets, which I'm not a huge fan of, but they're working okay. So on these here, we're just drilling a hole. And then I'm kind of wallowing it out a little. If I drill it, this is a 3/16 drill bit. If I drill a 1/4 inch, it's too big. They don't, that's why the bottom one's really loose. They don't get super tight anyways. And we're going to hold off on the top one, or?
Yes, I haven't decided on the top one. Actually, it looks like this side.
So we drill those like that.
And that's the other part. I gotta go.
And this one here.
Gotta get you the wait a second, love. I put all the screws are on the counter. So that one's just right in the stud. So
this one goes in this stud. So what we did is we hung the first one where she liked it. We put a thing in the stud over here, hung the basket. Bring me a basket, will you please? This time she gets to go wandering off. So we hung the basket on it. We put the level on it, lined up where we wanted this one over here to be, and put it through. Once we had that one, then we just measured up and used our 4-foot level to be a straight edge. I held it level and she just marked, and that's, so now we're just punching these through where we put the little crosshairs. I don't know if you can zoom in on that and see.
Yeah, just made a little X.
Just a little pencil mark. We were going to go get the hammer now, and we didn't.
You want me to get the hammer?
Yes,
okay.
Please. Because I wallowed these out with the drill bit a little bit, so they're a nice tight fit, hopefully. You can, so I think they'll be fine. The first one I just used the channel locks to tap it in, but that's kind of sketchy. So we'll just get the hammer real quick and tap these in.
The rest of the hooks too, so I have those. Okay, I will trade you. That's not big enough?
Well, it's easy to make holes bigger.
Oh, then smaller?
Making them smaller is a little more difficult.
Looks like it's bending.
It is. Throw that one away that's bent.
Okay, I'll give it back to you. What would you like now? Another little wobble camera because I have a whole handful of screws. And, oops, that's the one you don't want.
Yeah, just throw it on the ground or something.
Well, then I have to clean it up. Always dropping. Level. Cool.
Not too bad. So
Now you can hold that like the rest baskets.
and we've got 6 baskets, but we're not sure about the top one.
If I want to use it there, if I want to use it in the laundry room. It looks so cute. Love it.